Hi, I'm Jason Galbraith with the Mayer-Harman Team, and today I'm delighted to show you our newest listing in St. Catharines, 60 Carlton Street. Why don't you come along with me for a little tour, and I'd love to tell you what this property is all about. Features of this property that resonate with prospective tenants as well as prospective buyers are the large windows allowing plenty of sunlight to come in, as well as the extensive parking area in the backyard, and of course its location, only about 15-minute walk from downtown St. Catharines. What makes 60 Carlton stand out to a would-be investor? Well, first off, it's fully tenanted, cash flow positive, and let's not forget the outstanding opportunities for market appreciation with the old GM plant's 50-acre lot being slated for development, mixed-use commercial as well as residential just across the street. St. Catharines offers a great lifestyle for a would-be tenant or a prospective investor. You're talking about being 25 minutes from the border, 20 minutes from Niagara Falls, outlet malls, and of course, let's not forget about the tourism hub in Niagara-on-the-Lake, boasting fabulous restaurants and vineyards. With the gentrification and restoration of the downtown core and future proposed projects, the GO train station, which will link Niagara to Toronto, hospitals, Brock University, the baby boomers and the Toronto money flowing down in droves into Niagara region, it's a great time to invest. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video on 60 Carlton Street in St. Catharines. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, contact your realtor today. This listing will not last.